I have shipped RAG with all 4 vector databases. Today, which one to pick by use case, the cost reality, and the one I keep coming back to. I'm Vera, 17 years in data and AI distilled. Contender 1. pgvector, a Postgres extension. If your team already runs Postgres, stop reading and use this. 1 create extension, 1 table, 1 IVF flat index. You get a CID, familiar SQL, and 0 new infrastructure. For most teams shipping their first RAG feature, this is the right answer. Contender 2. Pinecone. Managed SaaS scales effortlessly. You pay for that, both in dollars and in lock-in. The sweet spot is 1 million vectors and up, where you don't want to manage infrastructure and the cost stops mattering compared to engineer time. For prototypes, overkill. Contender 3. Chroma pip install ChromaDB. No server, the fastest dev loop in the category. If you're in a notebook, building a demo, or shipping an embedded app, Chroma's simplicity is unbeatable. Production at scale? Probably not, but for getting started, perfect. Contender 4. Weaviate. The differentiator is hybrid search, vector plus keyword in one query. If your users search both by meaning and by exact terms, Weaviate is the cleanest answer. Open source, self-hostable, GraphQL API. The slight cost, more operational complexity than Chroma or pgvector. Decision tree. Already on Postgres, pgvector. Need hybrid vector plus keyword search? Weaviate. Prototyping or in a notebook? Chroma. 1 million plus vectors and no appetite for infrastructure? Pinecone. For most teams, the answer collapses to pgvector or Chroma. Period. Cost reality at 1 million vectors, pgvector and Chroma are effectively free. They run on infrastructure you already pay for. Weaviate self-hosted is similar. Managed runs 300 plus. Pinecone is around $70 a month at 1 million. Scaling up. Pick on workload, not cost. Cost rarely decides. That's the showdown. Subscribe to Data and I with Vera. Tomorrow, your Snowflake bill is 2 times too high. One setting fixes it.